Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to move text to a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Okay, I have a text and shapes. Move the text or the shape. Press Ctrl T, hold Shift, click and drag it. Then okay. Right click on your mouse, convert to smart object. Again, right click on your mouse, rest as layer. Then press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse, perspective. Then click the icon, customs, RC, or you can use for this. Press Ctrl T, right click on your mouse, perspective, then click the warp option and click and drag it for this moving warrior own shape. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.